Stay with me. The world is too loud out Sunrise strikes the lock, a golden spear. I see the shadows dance, I feel the fear. You're dressing for the war, you call it work, but I know where the metal demons lurk. You think I'm rebellious, a wild-hearted soul, but I'm just trying to keep your spirit whole. You have no claws to tear, no teeth to bite, just a fragile heart in a neon light. The bowls are full, you say, with a weary sigh. Why do you reach for the world passing by? You don't see the beast, you don't see the teeth. I'm not looking for freedom, I'm looking for the foe. I'm the secret soldier everywhere you go. I am the guardian at the gate of your domain, charging the threshold just to take away your pain. I'm not a runaway, I'm the shield you never saw, facing the metal giants with a velvet paw. Through the glass, the predators of chrome, they scream in the streets while you're far from home. You walk among the wolves with a fragile grace, while I'm the sentinel of this sacred space. The way you call my name, it breaks my feline heart to watch my helpless human play a dangerous part. Silence just to break your heavy chain. I'm not a rebel, I'm the ghost inside the hall, waiting for echoes of your footsteps in the Is it night yet?
I'm still waiting.
The hunger's nothing.
The silence is everything.
The clock is ticking and the gourmet feast is cold. Without your scent, the finest silk is only mold. I pray to ancient gods of whiskers and of moon. Don't let the monsters take her, bring her back by noon.
Wait, is that the click?
Is that my person? The heavy door forehead smiling like a foolish child, while I'm exhausted from the war out in the wild. Tonight I'll watch your breath until the morning light. Close your eyes, my person, I'll be your shield tonight.
Good night, dummy.